Picture this. You snag a great listing. You use some AI software to stage the photos, and the place looks with a massive $5,000 fine from the MLS. That is the risk you take when you mess with AI virtual staging without knowing the rules. But the upside is high. Completely empty box of a room into a furnished, modern living space. The reality is that most buyers struggle to visualize the potential of a vacant house. When they walk into an empty property, they don't see their future home. They see blank walls and cold floors that feel smaller than they actually are. This chart reflects a key finding in real estate marketing analytics. Properties featuring staged photography receive up to 61% more views online than those with vacant rooms. That volume of traffic can be the difference between a quick sale and a listing that goes stale. You get that move-in ready aesthetic without the logistical headache. You don't have to hire movers, coordinate furniture delivery, or pay thousands to rent decor. You achieve a high-end look for a fraction of the cost. Virtual staging provides a significant competitive advantage when you need to stand out in a crowded market. But if you deploy these images without understanding the underlying compliance requirements, you risk incurring severe MLS penalties. Let's navigate those requirements. We are seeing strict new crackdowns rolling out across the industry, particularly under the National Association of Realtors Article 12, which focuses on providing a true picture in advertising. Rule 1. Never alter the actual architecture. You can drop in a digital sofa, but you cannot use software to patch a hole in the drywall, hide a water stain on the ceiling, or digitally enhance the view out the window. Rule 2. Take a look at this diagram. Every single virtually staged image you upload needs a visible, semi-transparent watermark applied across it, explicitly stating that the image has been virtually staged. Rule 3. Keep your eyes on the text layout here. You must place a clear disclosure explaining the use of virtual staging right at the top of your listing description, specifically within the top 3 lines. Rule 4 focuses on transparency. Whenever you upload a staged image, the original, vacant photograph should be placed side by side or directly following it, ensuring the buyer sees the actual condition of the space. Adhering to these 4 specific rules creates a clear audit trail of transparency. It moves your workflow from a point of high legal exposure to a standardized process that significantly mitigates the risk of fines. Let's look at the software market. The tools fall into 2 distinct categories: instant AI and human-assisted services. If you need a listing live immediately on a tight budget, these instant AI options are the most efficient path. A prominent option is virtual staging AI. Costing $16 to $25 a month, it generates staged photos in roughly 10 seconds. Trade-off for that speed is the potential for AI hallucinations. You might see a lamp rendered inside a sofa cushion, meaning you'll need to spend time re-rolling the generation until it looks natural. Then there is Calo AI, which starts at around $21 a month. Calo features a chat edit function. Instead of clicking refresh and hoping for the best, you can type a specific prompt, like replace the sofa with a mid-century modern beige one, to refine the room. It also addresses the compliance issue directly by automatically applying the required MLS watermarks to the final images before you download them. If you want more creative input, there is Apply Design. This service charges per individual image, usually between $7 and $10. This tool gives you access to a catalog of 18,000 specific furniture pieces. However, you must manually drag and drop every item, increasing the labor time for each photo. These automated and DIY tools prioritize speed and low cost, but require you to act as the final quality control to ensure professional results. For high-stakes, multi-million-dollar luxury listings, you might consider the second category, human-assisted services. Services like StyleDodd and Box Brownie operate on a higher pricing structure. You pay a premium per photo, often ranging from $16 to $30 for a single image. There is a significant time requirement. Instead of instant generation, these services involve a 24 to 48-hour delay. But this matrix shows why. The delay allows for high-end photorealism, accurate shadows, and perfect scaling. Human oversight is the key differentiator here. Professional designers catch the physical errors and awkward layouts that pure AI systems often overlook. You trade away the instant turnaround and low bulk pricing to ensure the level of polish required by high-scrutiny buyers. To choose the right tool, look at the property itself. This decision tree maps software choice to the specific listing type. In the first scenario, a standard suburban home or rental unit needing to hit the market tomorrow, follow the path toward Instant AI. For these properties, tools like Callove AI or Virtual Staging AI provide the best balance of speed and budget efficiency. In the second scenario, a high-end penthouse where the buyer will examine every detail, follow the path to human-assisted services. In this case, investing 48 hours in a service like StyleDodd or Box Brownie ensures the image quality matches the property's price point. Matching the tool to the listing prevents you from overspending on low-margin properties or inadvertently making a luxury estate look unpolished. Regardless of the software you choose, those 4 MLS compliance rules are the baseline for your operation. They are necessary to protect your license and your professional reputation. As the technology becomes more widespread, expect local regulations to become more specific regarding how these images are disclosed. The goal is to move a property from vacant to sold as efficiently as possible while staying within the legal guard. Embracing AI virtual staging with a clear understanding of the rules allows you to market properties more effectively while maintaining the standards of the industry. Pick your tool, always stay compliant, and keep moving your